In this video, I'm going to show you how to add presets to Pro Tools. Now to do this, first you want to open up your file folder where you actually have Pro Tools installed. So if I actually close this down and pull it up right now, I'll show you how to get in there. So usually you have to go to your Documents tab over here in your files, and then from here you'll be able to see Pro Tools somewhere in here, okay? So if I scroll down, Pro Tools are over here. Now of course you'll have to have something you actually want to add in here, so a preset. I did prepare a preset over here. If I go to my downloads folder, you can see I have a preset over here. It's called a tutorial preset for this video. So I'm going to click on it and I'm just going to copy it so we can then paste it in there. Of course, you can drag and drop it into that folder as well, but I'm going to show you how to do it right now, just quickly using the copy command. Then you want to go again to Documents and find Pro Tools. So over here, and when you open the Pro Tools folder, down here towards the bottom, there's going to be a track presets. You want to click on that folder, double click to open it, and then you want to go into Avid. So just click on over here, or Avid, whatever you want to call it, and then from here you can see there's going to be a bunch of different ones. So you want to select where you actually want to put this. Now of course you can put it into a folder or just drop it in like this. I'm just gonna drop it in like this, so I'm gonna click on the paste button, and there we go, we have our preset in here. Okay, so we can now close down this Avid folder over here and we can go back to Pro Tools. Now if we actually want to add one over here, super simple. You want to go to your track, you want to right click on the name of your track, whatever that may be, and when you right click over here, you can hover over Recall Track Preset, hover over Avid, and then over here you should be able to now find your preset. So here's my tutorial preset. If I click on it, it's going to basically apply it on here when you click on the OK button. Okay, so that's essentially how to add presets. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.